You want to make sure you check the lawnmower air filter to make sure it's not dirty. A dirty, clogged air filter will restrict the airflow and damage your engine and the components. If your lawnmower is not working or not getting up speed it's supposed to, it's going to be the air filter. Different makes and models of lawnmowers have different type of air filters. This one's at Briggs & Stratton, and it uses this style air filter. I'm going to have links in the description for these type of air filters, like this one right here, and other ones. The air filter will be located right here, and it's going to be where this cap is. Like, it'll sit right into here. Like that. With this clipped on. Like that. To remove the air filter box cover, you clip up like that and it comes off. Take the whole thing off. Take out the air filter. These paper air filters do not wash. It's going to ruin it. If you have the foam style one with nice warm soapy water, you can wash them. But the paper ones, you cannot wash them. These have to be thrown out and replaced. I'll have links in the description for these air filters. Then put your new filter right onto here. Like this. To clean, it'll be white, not brown. To actually tell it's dirty, there's some dirt right there. This will be chocked full like this. What you can do is, for a little while until your new air filters come, you can actually bang out any dirt like this until your new air filters come. Then you put it back in. Then you put this cover back on. To make sure it sits nice and flush. The air intake, it sucks in air towards the bottom. Right underneath here. That's where it gets sucked in. Do you want to make sure you definitely check your lawnmower air filter, or even any gasoline engine, or even your car too, because a clogged air filter will make the performance will not perform as well. So you want to make sure your air filters are cleaned.